order to create the database connection pool, we have to have MySQL. I have MySQL version 8.0.22 on Linux machine, and I created the MySQL user. MySQL ID and snippet box -u web user -p. I created the web user, then user. So show databases. So I have created one database called snippet box. So I'm going to work on this database with the Golang. Okay, so use snippet box show tables. I already created one table called snippets. So select star, select ID comma title comma expires from snippets. So I'm going to work on this data. I just created a small data. Okay, I'm going to work on this data. So everything is set up. So now I'm going to create the database connection pool. Okay. So I'm going to write the separate function open db is dsn string sql dot db error. Okay, db error. I'm going to open the sql dot open. Here it is the driver name, and another one is the data source string. So driver name is the MySQL, and the data source name string is dsn. And if this error is equal to nil, and then return nil comma error. And then now I'm going to, if error equal to db dot ping error not equal to nil, return nil comma error, and return db nil. And I'm going to define a new command line flag for the MySQL dsn string. Okay, flag dot string. This is a dsn, and here I'm going to give the connections. Web user and password. Password also web user and database slash snippet box. I'm going to give the parse time as well, equal to true, and user string is MySQL database connection. Okay, so I told you in my previous video, flag.parse should be used right after the command line flags. Okay, this is the DSN. So I created one DSN string. So once I created the DSN string, in order to keep the main function so clean, I have put the code for the creating the connection pool into the separate OpenDB function. Because we can write the OpenDB, we can write this SQL.open here as well, but I don't want to make this main function untidy. So I am going to I'm going to call the OpenDB function error equal to OpenDB and here DSN. If error not equal to nil, error log dot fatal error. And we also defer a call to db.close. db.close, so that the connection pool is closed before the main function exits. Okay, I got error. My unknown driver. I'm sorry, I forgot to import the MySQL driver. MySQL driver main.go. Okay, and then we will rerun again. Okay, unknown system variable parse time. Okay, parse time is a spelling mistake. Okay, database is connected successfully. I hope you understand. Thank you. Bye bye.